Hi, the purpose of this recording today is to help you learn to use an important tool that we will use in many assignments. It is called the snipping tool. It's a little bit like a print screen, but it allows you to take a picture of a much smaller area, just the area that you want a picture of, or a snip, or a small image file. So I had these put on the computers in our computer lab, and the snipping tool is now located in the upper left-hand folder of your desktop called CTE. And we're going to start by going to Canvas and going to the things that we're using today. We're going to go to Digital Literacy and then Modules. Then we're going to scroll down to 219-220 Streaming and Downloading Hyperdoc and Infographic. And we're going to open the Hyperdoc, and we're going to make a copy of it. So we're going to leave this open, but your file will say View Only, and you will need to say File, Make a Copy. If it does not allow you to make a copy, then you need to go to a different window and log into Google Docs, and then refresh the page, and then it will let you make a copy. You should somehow name this so you can later find it. I'm going to put my initials, Streaming and Downloading Hyperdoc, OK. Alright. That way, if I try to turn this assignment in, and I accidentally turn the wrong assignment or have some kind of a problem, I will be able to find it later, and I will not have to start all over again. Okay, so now I've created this copy. The next thing I'm going to do is open up a new window, a new document. Okay. So first of all, or actually next, I'm going to open one more window, and that will just be my Google search bar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the snipping tool, and the first thing I'm going to use it for is to take a picture of the snipping tool image. Okay? So the first thing that you need to do is go to that CTE folder, and then double-click on snipping tool. I don't have that on my screen, so I can't show that to you, but I am going to open it up. This is what you're going to see. This little box that just popped up is the snipping tool. So I'm going to click on New, but actually before I go to New, I'm going to get exactly what I need up on the screen. So I'll be ready when I click on New to take a picture of what I want to take a picture of. This is what I want you to take a picture of. Either this little thing right here or this little scissors icon. Okay. So I've brought my snipping tool menu up, and I'm going to click New. When you take your picture, you need to make sure that you're starting the box above the picture and going to the right of the picture so you get the whole thing. As soon as you let go of your cursor, the picture is taken and it is copied. So we're going to go to our untitled document and say, I can, oops, why isn't it working? Oh, there it is, can use the snipping tool, exclamation point, and then Control V. We're just going to paste the snip that we just did. Now we're going to practice 2 more times. This time we're going to put my favorite restaurant. Okay, I'm going to come over to Google. You're going to put in the Google search bar the name of your favorite restaurant. Mine is Happy Sumo, and just to make sure I get the right things, I'm going to put Utah. It's the Utah chain. And I'm going to take a snip of this right here. So I'm going to click on my snipping tool again. I'm going to click on New, which made my screen go green. Go gray. I'm going to position my cursor right above and to the left of my picture, and go right below and to the right of my picture. There we go. Got it. I'm going to go to my document again and do Control V for paste. Alright, perfect. Now I'm going to do my favorite fruit. We're going to practice one more time before we submit the document. I'm going to go to my search bar. I'm going to put my favorite fruit in. You're going to put in yours. And oh, those mangoes are so beautiful. I'm going to just take a great big picture of them. A whole bunch. I like them so much. I'm just going to take a great big snip. So I'm going to click on my snipping tool icon again. Click on New. I'm going to start my cursor to the left and above where I want my entire picture to be, and go to the right and below where I want my picture to be. As soon as I let go of the cursor, the picture is taken. And I'm going to go ahead and minimize my snipping tool box. I'm going to go to my untitled document, press return, and Control V for paste. Alright, that's exactly what I wanted to do. This document is now ready to submit in my Snipping tool quiz. But before it's going to let you share it, it's going to ask you to name it. When you click up here, it's going to put automatically the first line of your document. I can use a snipping tool. Hey, that's a great name for that. Let's just call it that. I'm going to click on Share. You're going to click Get Shareable Link, the circle right here. As soon as you click that, it's going to copy it. As you can see, it says right here, Link copy to clipboard. Link sharing is on. Now I'm going to go back over to Canvas. I'm going to click on Modules. I'm going to scroll down to Module 6, Snipping Tool Quiz. Oh, and actually, I'm just going to go back for a second to my dashboard, and I'm going to put this in Student View so you can see exactly what it will look like on your end. So I go to the Student View, I go to Modules, I scroll down to Module 6, Snipping Tool Quiz, and I click Submit Assignment. Yours will say Submit Assignment, mine says Resubmit because I've done this a few times with my classes. And now I'm going to do Control V, the link that I just pasted, and Submit Assignment. If I have any problems, I can go back and find the document called I Can Use a Snipping Tool. There, I hope that you love using the snipping tool as much as I do. It is an awesome tool. Have a great day.